from Dancing with Data क्योंकि data ही data है. So what I have for you today? Today we are going to explain the feature explain data, right? I knew that I already have posted one video with respect to the two features explain data and ask data, but today I knew that until and unless I connect my own data set with respect to my Tableau videos, I'll not be satisfied. So let us try to analyze with the live data or say the real data. So let's get started, right? So this is a simple data set where you see my different videos over there with respect to different views, right? Sorted by descending order of number of views for my videos, right? And before moving further, let us try to understand these impressions. What are the impressions like? If someone is searching with the keyword blending issues with Tableau, and this is one impression, right? So those are the impressions over there, right? A number of times your image of video is coming in front of the end users, right? So that's the starting point, and after that, out of all those impressions, you will be able to convert those impressions into click when someone will go and click on those videos, right? And after that, it will generate views or say watch hours over there, right? Simple enough. So what I'm doing with the explained data over there, okay, I'll go to my data set and I say that, okay, why these videos are having more views or say more watch hours with respect to some other videos. So let us try to understand with the help of will Tableau will be able to explain this or not. Let us see. So I'll go with this one multi selection with parameter and I say I'm asking you. It says higher than expected. Mind you, this is not this is 1 month of data, and it says that the relevant measure these measure may be contributing to the higher sum of views, and the average of unvisualized measure may be contributing to the aggregate value of the explained mark. So you can see that nowhere I have used any of these measures at my dashboard. I haven't dragged and dropped any of the measures over there impressions, but it is coming over there. So this is beautiful because it is internally trying to relate it with the other measures, even if you have not dragged or if even if you have not considered. So I haven't considered that, but it is telling me that these are the factors, right? Okay, watch hours we already know, but we'll go with the impression, right? So it says that impressions are good. It might have increased, means I have more number of impressions. Like if people are searching, or maybe I go with the multi-select the same video, then you will. So you can see over there are my two videos over there. So they say that, okay, you have good impressions, right? So that means it is coming higher in the video ranking as well, or there are good number of impressions. A lot of people can see your impression. Your impression click through rate is also good, right? Converting those impressions into click, right? That is also good. So I'm good with this because I can see that this is higher up the order as well, and I can see my videos. That's fine, but there are not many videos on multi-select. So let us go to the generic one. For example, I go with data blending, when to use blending and cross TB join. So I'll go. Now it says, okay, higher than expected, but it has given only impressions, right? So I'll go to when to blend and with Tableau. So you can see that it is there. So it says that, okay, and you can see there are other videos as well with respect to blending versus join over there. There are many videos over there. So it says that your impressions are good, right? But now there are many videos with respect to the same subject or content over there. So maybe the click through rate would not be higher, but the good thing is that the ranking is higher, right? The ranking is higher, so it explains that it has said impression but not click through rate because competition is more over there, right? So now there are more videos. Earlier multi-set parameter there were not many videos, but here there are more videos, so people have more options over there. So click through rate might have gone down, so that's good. I'll go to this one. It says nothing, neither impression or nor click through rate, or maybe I'll go to this one as well because this will give you more insight, which is second highest in terms of views. But here also, if you see, it says about impression, but it is not saying about click through rate, right? Let me say, select also. If you say this is one of my 4 years back video, that time I never used to put thumbnails over there, right? So that's why you say that it's a good practice to have attractive thumbnail. So impressions are there over there, but since the thumbnail is not of good quality, so it is not encouraging people to click over there. So it also explains that. Last but not the least, a lot of people will come for the certification thing, Tableau certification, and it says neither impression nor nor click through rate, because for the general fact, right, sir, Tableau certification, it is already bombarded with the so many ads over there, right, at the top, because a lot of people will come for this one, and neither my video is coming for the impression. This is not that video, this is another video. Now this one, this is not at the top, it is at this position, you can see. So neither it is come for the impression, nor it is higher at the ranking, nor it is coming for the click through rate. So I'm pretty excited with respect to this very particular feature of Tableau. The difference is, earlier I used to do, and if I just try to expand this, right? Okay, I did not expand it, so let me show you and expand this as well. So you can just go and expand it. For example, in this case, it will show you the average views over there, or maybe I would like you to see the impression one. So I'll take you to the impression one. Right. So it shows you, I did not expand this, sorry for that, but it will show you your position, right, with respect to the impression, where you are. So this is the impression, number of impressions, this is the number of views. And if I go to the impression click through rate, this is quite good, right? It's on the right hand side, right? It's belongs to this quarter, which is a very, very good one. So I hope that this was a good demo where we have used the actual data and we have tried to investigate or try to investigate the reasons for which we have different rankings with respect to different videos. So I hope this helps. This is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है, क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.